Greetings from Värmdö, my very first beach adventure in Värmdö this year 2025. It is 29th of June 2025 and it is now 4:30 p.m. almost, so I'm quite late out for adventure, but I came all the way to Bjorno Nature Reserve, very close to the Torpesand Strand, where there were few people, so I decided to chill a bit more here on this beautiful rocky beach that is in peace and quiet. But I will stop by the beach later when all the people will be gone home. And it is beach number 44. And as you have noticed, I don't have my bike with me, as I have bought a monthly card with the public transport in Stockholm. So for 30 days I'm gonna be exploring the remote, distant beaches which I usually don't explore with my bicycle. As to get here it is 40 kilometers one way, so I'm not sure if I'm willing to cycle 80 kilometers every day. That's simply impossible. As I'm spending also a lot of time on the beach as well. And it is 21 degrees Celsius in the air. We have some wind here and there, but with the sun it feels much warmer than 21 degrees for sure. And I couldn't believe my eyes earlier of the temperature in the water, so I really want to show you so that you can believe me how much is the temperature in the water in the beautiful Baltic Sea. Here we are at the open sea, and it's obviously colder than the beaches I have been to in Naka and Tyresö, as the water temperature here, it is just 10 degrees Celsius. Yes, 10 degrees Celsius. And as you can see, nobody is also swimming in at the Torpesand Strand as well. But I'm not gonna be one of those people. I will go in for a swim, definitely, and enjoy the nice sunny day, this sunny Sunday. I'm here actually right close to the snorkel lead, where you can actually snorkel in this area over here. So it's quite interesting indeed. So yeah, let's not wait any longer and go in for a swim. Actually, I'm going to jump into the water because I just feel like it today, despite being only 10 degrees. So wish me luck for that. I'm so happy that I have come here. I have really longed to visit Värmdö once again. I have been a lot of times here last year when I had the monthly card, and this is what I usually do in the summer. Once in the summer I buy the 30-day transport card and I go to these very distant beaches. Now I took the bus 429 from Slussen, and it's around 40 minutes ride from Slussen, and then obviously I need to get to Slussen, so total travel time is 1 hour and 15 minutes approximately. All right, are you ready to jump in the sea, in these cold waters? Because I am. So ready, set, and go. This is the sea, yes. It is so cold. I just love being on the sea. Despite being extremely cold right now, 10 degrees Celsius. It's freezing, but the feeling is amazing. I just can't describe to you. Let me go down once again. Brain freeze! Brain freeze! It's amazing. I love it. I'm always like I can't stay for too long. Here it is also very deep as well. So yeah, that is, yeah, close by here there is even a nudist beach on that side, but it was too windy, so I didn't went there. I will go there maybe later if the wind slows down, or some other day. So that is a wrap from this beautiful paradise in Värmdö. These beautiful rocks close to Torpesand Strand. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode. I'm gonna be out on the sea now every day. So greetings from Torpesand, Bjornö Nature Reserve in Värmdö, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.